Nag-OMAD ako.
Sarap!
Sobrang sarap. Teriyaki glazed salmon. Kain po tayo! Wanna show you my lunch today. Recently guys, nag-OMAD ako kaya medyo marami itong tignan. This is my lunch and my dinner portion from the same meal plan that I've always gotten, yung Body by ALS. We got some pork steak here, shirataki rice,
Sarap!
alfalfa and cucumber salad. It's a Greek salad with spiced vinaigrette. Pero ito talaga yung inaabangan ko today. This is creamy pork steak on shirataki rice. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap. Na para bang hindi ako nagda-diet. Again, creamy pork steak. So good! Then over here, we got teriyaki glazed salmon, which I just reheated in the air fryer. Sarap. Tapos tingnan niyo yung mga broccoli na kasama niya. Ang lalaki. Sobrang fresh din. So when I do OMAD with this meal plan, inuuna kong kainin tong proteins. We got the pork and we got the salmon. Una kong ubusin yan before I proceed to the salads kasi pag OMAD, i-priority mo na yung protein. This is my usual chocolate drink. I already showed you how to make this. Sobrang sarap. Pwede na siyang dessert for me. Yumminess. Okay, so finish na ang protein. Actually, at this point, hindi ko na yan maubos. Pero pipilitin ko pa because if I don't finish it, magugutom ko mamaya. That's for sure. Anyway, that's the mukbang. See you in the next one. Goodbye.